Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. What's the best varieties of tomatoes for your earth box? Well, there really is a number of different choices. Do you want something like some little cherries or sweet 100s? They do extremely well, but I've also grown larger varieties like Celebrity, Better Boy, Big Boy. You can get different results, of course, from different plants. If you have, of course, an earth box that you have a larger growing variety, you're going to have to make some type of a wire ring or bier ring or some type of trellis. If you've got a very small variety like the sweet 100s, you probably don't even really need too much staking on them because they're going to stay very prostate. Remember, with any of the varieties of tomatoes that there isn't just one variety that's best. What do you like? Do you like a big tomato? Do you like medium size or small? If you're like my backyard garden, I usually have a couple of different varieties. I like the little cherries and I like the little sweet 100s, but I also like some of the larger ones for salads and sandwiches. All of them will do well in the earth box. It's a great system. For AskMrGreenThumb.com, I'm Stan DeFreitas.